Hello, in front of me I've got Oppo A78. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. In the beginning, let's go to settings and enter password and security. Now go to lock screen password. And as you can see right here, we've got three types of passwords: numeric, alphanumeric and pattern. Firstly, let's select numeric, and we are going to use each one of them to unlock the phone. Now enter use a different password type, and as you can see we've got three types of numeric password: 6 digits, 4 digits and 4 to 16 digits. Let's set only 4 digits because they are basically the same, the only difference is in length. Now let's use it to unlock the phone. Next, let's select alphanumeric. And now enter 4 to 16 letters and digits. In the end, let's select pattern. And to create pattern, you have to connect at least 4 dots. Once it's done, let's go back and enter fingerprint. Now simply scan your fingerprint on the fingerprint sensor located on the power button. Tap the power button multiple times and each time try to adjust the fingerprint position, but don't press the power button because you will end the process. Tap done and use it to unlock the phone. In the end, let's go to face, agree, and now simply scan your face in this area. And now my face is scanned, I can use it to unlock the phone. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.